Alright, hi guys, this is my mom. So today we're gonna be making chapati. It's a Kenyan dish. So she's gonna be showing us how to make it. We're in an Airbnb, so we don't have all the utensils, but we're using what we have. So this is what kind of, you start with flour. That's the first main ingredient, right?
Yeah, with flour and salt.
Okay.
And a little bit, like one tablespoon sugar.
Okay.
And then I'm going to add water. I've mixed the sugar, salt, and flour. That is what I've been doing. Now I want to put water.
Okay.
And start making the dough until you feel with your fingers it is well done.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, and then you have something in that saucepan. I'm just gonna see what that is.
I have mixed water and carrot.
Okay, so that's carrot and water.
Yeah.
Any amount? Was it like a cup or half a cup or just?
This was
like a quarter in the saucepan.
This was one cup.
1 cup. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, and then you pour in the flour mixture, like she's doing.
You put slowly by slowly mixing so that you can feel when it is enough.
Okay.
Yeah. And the water should be very hot.
Okay, so
not cold water. If you make chapati with cold water, it will not come out well. So you have to put very hot water.
Okay. So hot water. And that was the carrot mixture. Okay. All right. We'll just watch and see what she does next.
This hot water also.
Okay.
So I felt the flour is a lot, so I have to add.
So you gradually add the water.
Yeah. Until you feel.
That's boiling hot water.
Yeah. That is now 2 cups in half. That is around 1.5 kgs of flour.
Okay, so like the big packet of this is whole wheat flour. But
you can whole wheat. You can mix or you can use white.
Okay.
It depends with whatever you like.
Okay. So either whole wheat or all-purpose flour.
Yeah.
Still adding water, gradually
just
adding.
a third cup.
And then you'll keep kneading the dough until we'll show you the end result. I'll let her do that, and then we'll show you the end result.
You keep kneading.
You just keep kneading until it's all together.
Yeah. Half.
So we've added half a cup of, and we're not using the measuring cup. It's just like a regular coffee mug. We put oil. So it doesn't stick.
Yeah.
It doesn't. So it doesn't stick. So just keep kneading with the oil in the dough, and you can use any type of oil you like.
Yeah.
That's just the cooking oil.
Yeah, it must be cooking oil.
You just keep kneading, and we're using whole wheat flour, but you can also use all-purpose flour.
Yeah.
You can see the consistency is changing. So she's just gonna keep doing that until it's a little firmer and all mixed together. So we're just adding more flour because it's too sticky.
Yeah. You put. I'll tell you. Like that.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, so this is what it looks like after kneading for a couple of minutes. Good job, Mom.
Yeah, when you knead it for a couple of times, it looks like this. It doesn't stick to your hands.
Yeah. And then what's the next step? You just let it stay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not let it stay. You can start now cutting it into small pieces and then you lower it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll watch you do that.
Yeah. Small size like that. Because I'm used to doing it, so I just feel with my fingers and I know what size to make.
Okay.
But if maybe you don't know, you can look for a small thing that can cut the size that you want to make.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like maybe like a cookie cutter or something
Yeah.
for baking.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Correcting the flour that is on the table so that
Okay. And
I put it
the
on.
countertop is clean.
yeah, it's green.
So don't be alarmed.
You put some flour on the counter so that
It doesn't stick.
it doesn't stick when you put your balls on the table. And you need like a bowl,
You need a bowl?
yeah, to put flour in instead of getting duff. You roll with this.
So you put extra flour in a bowl and then you'll take that amount of dough and then make it into like a ball or
Yeah.
a circle and then do
Yeah.
that. Or hit
Small circles.
small discs,
Yeah.
whatever that shape is.
Yeah.
Can you do it slowly? Let's see the size. Yeah, so about
Okay.
that size. Yeah.
And then they will not cook well.
If you cut big ones,
Yeah, they
they'll
overflow.
They overflow over the pan. Okay.
Yeah. That is the secret.
Okay. So you'll just keep doing that until all of
the
that
duff
is gone.
gone.
Yeah,
And
so
then you
you'll-
start rolling. You're
Yep.
just making work easier. So, and my rolling pin is there.
Yeah. Okay.
And continue.
All right. So that's a good one. So roll, put
Yeah.
some oil. You can use whichever oil you like. That's just cooking oil.
Yeah.
Oil.
You smear on top and then you lower it again and put it aside.
Okay.
The main aim here is to make this duff soft and not sticky.
Yeah.
And when you come to load it, the final loading, it will be so smooth, and when you cook it, it will bring out some layers, and the fire will be able to penetrate it so well.
Yeah. All right. So we'll just watch.
The
Amanyunga.
loading pin is new.
Amanyunga.
again, when you prepare them like this with oil, when you're cooking, you don't put oil on both sides. You just put one side, and one side you just burn it with a pan.
Okay.
Without putting oil. Yeah.
Alright.
Then you lower it like that. Tuck it. Put it aside. Take another one. Yeah, keep on rolling like that. Very fast, and then
Okay.
tuck
Alright.
it.
Yep. And
And
now,
then keep aside.
okay, and then she'll finish all of those.